Have you ever opened your mouth in English and suddenly your brain just disappeared?
Like, you know the answer, but your brain says...
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna.
And I'm Peter.
Welcome back to the podcast.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner knows.
That horrible moment when someone asks you a simple question.
And you freeze.
Completely.
Like a computer loading for 10 minutes.
Or when someone says, "What do you think?"
And suddenly, your English leaves the chat.
If that sounds familiar, stay with us.
Because today, we're going to learn a simple way to express opinions naturally in English.
No complicated grammar.
No fancy vocabulary.
Just real English for real conversations.
At work, with friends, while traveling, or even when deciding what pizza to order.
Which is obviously a very serious life decision.
Extremely serious.
Let's get started.
Anna, can I confess something?
Sure.
Last week, someone asked me, "Do you like working from home?"
Easy question.
Exactly. But my brain panicked.
Oh no.
I knew what I wanted to say.
But
Nothing came out.
the famous English silence.
Yes. 5 seconds felt like 5 years.
Honestly, many learners experience that.
Why does it happen?
Because we often try to create a perfect answer.
Ah.
We think too much about grammar,
Every word.
every tense,
Every possible mistake.
and while we're thinking,
The conversation moves on.
exactly.
So today we're fixing that?
Yes,
Please save us.
I have 3 simple rules.
Only 3?
Only 3.
Okay. My brain can handle 3.
Rule number 1.
Let's hear it.
Clear point of view.
Meaning?
Start with your opinion.
Simple enough.
Many learners start speaking and get lost.
Like me in a supermarket.
Peter, that's another story.
True.
Let's use this question.
Okay.
Do you enjoy online learning?
My answer?
Yes.
Because maybe? Actually,
See?
already lost.
Start with a clear opinion.
Such as?
Yes, I really enjoy online learning.
That's it?
That's it. Wow. Your listener immediately understands your position.
So first, opinion.
Always.
Let's practice.
Everyone watching, answer this question. Do you like waking up early? Pause the video if you want. Start with your opinion. Yes, no, maybe. Just make it clear. Rule number 2. Add a reason. Exactly. Because opinions without reasons can sound incomplete. Right. So if I say, "Go ahead. I like coffee." Nice. That's all. And now I want more information. Like a curious detective. Exactly. So I should say, add a reason. I like coffee because it helps me wake up in the morning. Perfect. Easy. Opinion plus reason. That's already a conversation. Exactly. Let me try another. Go for it. I prefer working at night because my brain feels more focused. Great answer. Wait, can I say my brain more focused? Almost. Say my brain feels more focused. Right. Small correction. Thank you, English police. You're welcome. Very kind arrest. Rule number 3.
The final rule.
Be polite and natural.
Important.
Especially when people disagree.
Which happens a lot online.
every 5 seconds.
Sometimes every 3.
Instead of saying,
You're wrong.
try, I see your point, but I think exactly.
Sounds much friendlier.
And more natural.
What about agreeing?
Easy.
Examples?
I totally agree.
Nice.
That's a good point.
Natural.
I feel the same way.
Useful.
Very useful.
Let's do some real situations.
Good idea.
Friends first?
Sure.
Anna, do you think social media is helpful?
Yes, I think it can be very helpful because people can learn new skills and stay connected with friends.
Interesting.
What about you?
I agree to you.
Small correction. Say, I agree with you.
Right. Agree with. English strikes again.
It happens.
Workplace situation.
Let's do it.
Should meetings be shorter?
Definitely. I think shorter meetings are more productive because people stay focused.
I see your point, but I think some longer meetings are necessary for complex projects.
Nice disagreement.
Nobody cried.
Success.
Restaurant situation.
My favorite topic.
Of course.
Food is important.
Pizza or burgers?
Pizza.
Why?
Because it offers more variety.
Interesting.
What about you?
Burgers.
Why?
Because they're easier eating.
Almost. Say, because they're easier to eat.
Oops.
That's okay.
I sacrifice my grammar for education.
Very noble.
Quick challenge for everyone watching.
Ready?
Finish this sentence.
I enjoy learning English because...
Think about your answer.
Don't overthink.
Just answer naturally.
Remember,
Opinion,
reason.
natural language.
Now, let's look at some common mistakes.
The scary section.
Not scary.
Slightly scary.
Here we go. Wrong. I agree to you. Correct. I agree with you. Wrong. My brain more focused. Correct. My brain feels more focused. Wrong. They're easier eating. Correct. They're easier to eat. Wrong. Because is good. Correct. Because it's good. Wrong. I very like it. Correct. I really like it.
Those mistakes look familiar.
Very familiar.
Maybe too familiar?
That's normal.
Let's practice a complete conversation flow.
The easiest structure ever.
Reaction.
Opinion.
Reason.
Ask again.
Let's try.
Wow, that's interesting.
Reaction.
Personally, I prefer online classes
Opinion.
because they're more flexible.
Reason.
What about you?
Ask again.
That's it.
Real conversations suddenly feel easier.
Exactly.
Can we talk about confidence for a minute?
Absolutely.
Many learners think they need perfect English.
Big mistake.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
Every day.
Sometimes every hour.
Sometimes every sentence.
Hey!
Sorry.
Fair enough. Confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. That's important.
It comes from continuing, even when you don't know every word.
So if my brain freezes?
Use simple English.
If I forget vocabulary?
Explain it another way.
If I make a mistake?
Keep talking.
Nobody dies?
Nobody dies.
Good news.
Excellent news.
Before we finish, let's review.
3 rules.
Rule 1.
Clear opinion.
Rule 2.
Add a reason.
Rule 3.
Be polite and natural.
That's it?
Simple. Useful. Real world English. Not textbook English. Exactly.
Now we want to hear from you.
Answer this question in the comments.
What's one thing you enjoy doing in your free time?
Remember the structure.
Opinion plus reason. For example, I enjoy reading because it helps me relax.
Or,
I love walking because it clears my mind.
write your answer below.
And if you want, reply to another learner too.
Practice real conversations together.
That's where progress happens.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
And remember,
If your brain stops while speaking English,
don't panic.
it happens to all of us.
Even me.
Especially Peter.
Okay, wow.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.